Hello YouTube. Bon, dans cet épisode, on va rendre une petite visite à Tati Etel. J'ai désactivé le mode pour ça. J'espère que ça va finir par partir. On va se téléporter à Salon des Pèlerins.
A vampire spawn and a monster hunter in the same group. We're not going to have trouble, are we?
Excuse me. Since this tadpole, I'm barely a monster at all. I just want to survive, same as you.
I don't see a problem. As long as Mr. Fang there keeps his appetite in check.
Ce qu'on va faire, c'est qu'on va se battre contre les bonnets rouges.
The murderous glare of a red cap, a fey creature known for its bloodlust, greets you. That noise. Is the creature pretending to be a sheep?
Qu'est-ce que vous fabriquez?
You seize me? Nosy, scum-sucking, lice-reading little ball bag. Get out, or I buy its tongue. Its tongue. Delicious tongue.
J'irai nulle part.
I bleed you, cut you, make many delicious holes. Yes, yes.
Hop là.
Ready.
Ouh, ça a dû faire mal.
Let's have some fun. Keep them guessing.
J'aurais dû mettre la marque du chasseur. Ça apprendra.
Hold the dance of death.
Le fait qu'il n'y ait pas de musique, c'est perturbant.
Don't waste a step.
Victory awaits.
Let's go.
Oh, le saut qu'elle peut faire. Waouh. C'est terrifiant.
May the dice roll in my favor. Of course.
Ce sera suffisant.
The blade will not bend. Finding my way.
Allez, viens par là. Il fait foncer, c'est très bien. On va le tuer avec Ombre-Cœur, hein.
Feel my mistress's wrath.
This is good.
Bien.
I can do better. I must. Have to keep going. Anything of
Alors.
yours?
Il existe une strat pour affronter Tati Etel, mais je suis pas sûr que ça passe. Ah, d'abord, ça, on peut aller là.
Ah, stranger. Forgive the aroma.
You catch a waft of something foul, metallic, and sickly sweet.
Powdered iron vine. An old hunter's trick. Most monsters will think twice before making a meal of me.
You're a monster hunter.
Ta-
I'm
ta- ta-
surprised.
ta-
I
ta-
thought
ta-
our
ta- ta-
girl
ta-
vagrant
ta- ta- ta-
cutthroats.
Désolé. Oh, attendez, mon micro. Non, ça a l'air d'être un bug. Pardon, mais qui sont les Gurs au juste?
A mystical and dangerous people. We travel the land, never settling in one place. We steal your chickens, curse your crops, seduce your daughters. Your friend here has heard it all, I'm sure. Now, I wish I had half the power settled folk think my people possess. Alas, I am a simple wanderer. A simple wanderer and monster hunter. But I'm no witch doctor or cutthroat.
Si j'étais un couple géré, je ne le reconnaîtrais pas, moi non plus.
True. And I have no proof to offer but my word. If you wish it, our paths need not cross again. I'm hunting a vampire spawn. And it's a little too bright for you to be my prey. His name is Astarion. But I fear he's gone to ground. I hope the hag of these lands can help me flush him out. If I can afford her blood price.
Il est temps pour moi pour nous d'y aller. Bonne chance de votre quête.
Thank you. Treating with a hag. I need all the luck I can get. May your road be kind.
On va pas... hein. J'ai besoin que Will soit proche de moi.
I don't want a crumb left on that plate, girl.
Auntie Ethel, please. One more bite and this pie is gonna come back up to say hello.
Don't make me get the wooden spoon. You're eating for two, so get to it. If it isn't the cheekiest pup of them all, you'd best have one hells of an apology for me, young lady.
Hors de question que je m'excuse auprès d'une créature aussi malfaisante.
Oh, is it hard to see from up there on your high horse? If only you knew some of the horrors your pretty little gods had committed. You know, I was gonna give you a swift kick up the arse and show you the door, but I think you and I could have a bit of fun together. Gods grant me patience. Eat up, Mayrina. I won't say it again.
C'est Mayrina, j'ai de mauvaises nouvelles à lui annoncer.
Keep that hole under your nose shut, or things will get messy.
Don't bother. You'd only subject us to her inevitable wailing.
What is it? What's going on?
Tati-elle a tué vos frères.
That can't be true. Auntie Ethel.
They were being rude, and I detest rudeness.
You monster! The deal is off.
Enough, away with you. Blessed silence at last. Some time in the cage should do her good. And you'll regret sticking your nose in my business.
Alors là, du coup, on va plus avoir les bonnets rouges. Ah, purée.
I'm ready.
Waouh. Waouh.
It shall be done.
Ah. Alors là, la difficulté, ça va être de la trouver. Au pire. Oh. Dommage. Ah, si, c'est bon, elle est bien là. Dommage. Dommage, dommage, dommage.
Still in control. Just.
Bon, on n'aura pas le bonus, mais c'est pas grave. On s'en fiche. Oh. Je pense que je vais donner ça à les ailes. Quoique. Peut-être à Karlach plutôt. Les ailes, j'ai d'autres plans en ce qui la concerne.
What's the story? All right, what now? Always room for more.
Hop là. On va lire un petit peu. Hein. Oh, pas mal. On va les prendre, ça peut être pas mal.
At the ready.
Des vivres. Je me demande si je peux passer par là. Il est activé ou pas? Non, le cercle n'est pas activé. On va devoir y aller à l'ancienne.
All is ash and meat.
Oh, Gale.
My condition likes being ignored as little as I do. I must consume another artifact. And soon.
Donne un artefact magique à Gale. On va lui donner ça.
Thank you. Good gods. It hardly has any effect. Oh, Mystra, have mercy on us all. Listen, I need to speak to you, to all of you. It would be unconscionable of me to remain silent.
Allez-y, nous sommes entre amis.
I might just be about to remedy that. You have to know who I was. You have to know who I really am. What I am is a walking shadow of the promise I once held. I'm what one might call a wizard prodigy. Who from an early age could not only control the weave, but compose it. Much like a musician or a poet. Such was my skill that it earned me the attention of the mother of magic herself. The Lady of Mysteries. The goddess Mystra. She revealed herself to me and she became my teacher. In time, she became my muse. And later, even my lover.
Ouais, qui est audacieux. Je connais peu de gens qui oseraient réduire une déesse au statut de muse.
I am, after all, the villain of the tale. We enjoyed each other's company. Body, mind, and soul. But even so, I desired more. You see, no matter how powerful a wizard we mortals can become, we never scratch more than the surface of the weave. Mystra keeps us in check. There are boundaries she doesn't let us cross, yet every time I was with her, I stood on the precipice, gazing into the wonders that lay beyond. I sought to cross her boundaries.
Comment avez-vous essayé de les franchir?
I tried to convince her. I pouted. I pleaded. Swore my ambition was only to serve her better. She only smiled and told me to be contented. But inconceivable as it seems to me now, I shared a bed with a goddess, and yet I wasn't satisfied. So I sought to prove myself worthy to her instead. We come now to the crux of my folly. Shall I share the story behind it, or would you rather head straight to its sordid finale?
J'avoue que ça m'intrigue, dites-moi tout.
Very well. Here goes. Once upon a very long time ago, a mighty lord lived in a tower. A flying tower, to be precise. I'll save his history for another time, but the gist of it is that he sought to usurp the goddess of magic so that he could become a god himself. He almost managed, but not quite. His entire empire, Netheril, came crashing down around him as he turned to stone. The magic that was unleashed that day was phenomenal. Roiling like the prime chaos that outdates creation. Even the weave itself could not withstand the onslaught. It fractured, then shattered, and all magic was lost to the mortal realms, until the day Mystra returned. She restored the weave, reuniting all its scattered shards. Or so I thought. Until, in the course of my studies, I learned of a book. A Netherese tome in which a piece of the fractured weave had been sealed beyond her reach. What if, I thought, what if, after all this time, I could return this lost part of herself to the goddess?
Lui offrir des fleurs ou des chocolats, ça aurait pu être bien aussi, vous savez.
You know me. My gestures can never be grand enough. I was certain that this deed of raw power, draped in romance, would convince Mystra to take me by the hand and welcome me into her hitherto forbidden domains. I was mistaken. I obtained the fabled book and took it into my study. As for what happened next, here. Place your hand over my heart. Let me show you.
You feel the tadpole quiver as you realize Gale is letting you in, into the dark. You see through Gale's eyes, staring down the corridors of a dread memory. A book, bound, and suddenly opened. Inside there are no pages, only a swirling mass of blackest weave that pounces. Its teeth, its claws, it's unstoppable as it digs through and becomes part of you. And God's is it ever hungry.
Retirez vivement votre main.
Terrifying, isn't it? And that is only the beginning. This Netherese blight, this orb, for lack of a better word, is balled up inside my chest. And it needs to be fed. As long as I absorb traces of the weave from potent enough sources, remains quiet. Were it ever to fully destabilize, however.
Vous mourrez.
Rather worse, actually. I will erupt. I don't know the exact magnitude of the eruption, but given my studies of Netherese magic, I'd say even a fragment as small as the one I carry, it'd level a city the size of Waterdeep.
You thrice-damned rotten bastard! You've been the greatest threat to our lives all this time!
I swear to you I wasn't. But I've no choice but to admit I am now. Perhaps it would be best if I leave, put as much distance between us as I can before the orb erupts.
Ne pouvons-nous rien faire?
We might chance upon a king's collection of magical artifacts around the corner. We might cross paths with a miracle round the bend. Then again, we might not. All of this. It must feel like a betrayal. Say the word, and we'll part ways.
Nous sommes arrivés jusqu'ici ensemble, et c'est ensemble que nous continuerons. Il ne saurait en être autrement.
That is a great relief. Oh, a great relief indeed. You truly are a soul that steals my own. From all my new rallied heart, I thank you. I thank you all. I understand if you stand against me. I'm humbled if you stand with me. Either way, I will do my best not to let you down. I stand at a precipice, but if you do not give up hope, neither shall I. I'll fight. I'll resist as long as I can. Now, even I am tired of the sound of my own voice. Let us venture forth.
Eh mais... C'est une sacrée révélation. Alors ici, on va découvrir plein de victimes d'Ethel.
Let's have a look. What is this place?
C'est rien, reprend.
Oh, me head! Oh no. No. Why ain't I petrified?
La Gonode est morte.
What? How am I still breathing? I've the bite.
La morsure de Laduguer est mortelle, non?
Why do you think I came to the Hag? It was get petrified or end up covered in my own insides.
I was on death's door. But now I feel great. How?
On va l'examiner.
Not only is the disease gone, you see it's left no scars. An impossibility for the bite.
What? But that doesn't make a lick of sense. Unless that double-crossing, filthy, lying hag, she made me sick and then trapped me in stone for kicks.
Je vous plains sincèrement.
I left me wife, me kids behind for fear of infecting them. They were only babes. The stones know how old they are now.
Concentrez-vous sur l'aspect positif des choses, au moins maintenant vous allez les revoir.
Only 'cause of you. I ain't got no way to repay you.
Ne vous en faites pas pour ça, je l'ai fait de manière désintéressée.
No. What you've done for me and mine today won't be forgotten. Thank you.
Et nous ne le reverrons plus jamais.
Very well.
Is the hag gone? God, tell me she's gone. Oh, please.
Elle est morte, vous ne risquez plus rien.
May she burn in the 9 hells. The hag. There's never been a more vile creature. The things she did to me.
Allez-vous-en d'ici.
Yes. I will. Thank you.
We need to leave. You're not supposed to be here. She'll be furious.
Elle est morte, vous ne risquez plus rien.
I thought I was lost. Could feel my mind slipping away. If it weren't for you, I would have ended up like the others. Hollowed out and as good as dead.
Maintenant que vous êtes libéré de l'emprise de la Guenode, où comptez-vous aller?
Home. To Baldur's Gate. This isn't over yet.
Comment ça, ce n'est pas terminé?
You think Ethel was the only hag in the realms? Not by a long shot. There's more hags out there. And I'm going to do what I can to make sure no one else has to go through what I did.
Je suis persuadé qu'il y a eu du contenu coupé. Rien que la fameuse lettre qu'on trouve chez Ethel, il y avait l'air d'avoir une sorte de conseil un peu de Guenode. Et ce dialogue-là, je suis sûr qu'il y a eu du contenu coupé. Bon, vu qu'elle est morte, normalement les pièges sont censés être désactivés.
There, in the cage.
On va attendre que tout le monde arrive. La façon dont il court, lui. Oui, 30 secondes.
That orb seems powerful. What can it do once it's extracted?
I'm so stupid. How could I have trusted her? I almost gave that monster my child.
Ça aurait été de la folie.
It was part of the deal. For him. My husband. She was going to bring him back. Bring Connor back to life.
Vous deviez beaucoup tenir à votre mari.
Connor would have done anything to save me. I had to do the same. I just wanted everything back. Back the way it was.
Et elle a vu que vous étiez vulnérable et elle en a profité.
It's my own fault for letting her. Look. I don't like owing people. Here. This socket is worth some coin.
Gardez-le comme ça on est quitte.
Really? That's... My husband gave it to me.
La pauvre, elle a déjà tellement...
His coffin is just upstairs. A decent burial is the least I can give him. Thank you. I don't think there's anyone else who would have saved me.
Elle a déjà tellement subi. Ok.
This place reeks of death.
Your courage, Gale.
Thank you. Any particular reason?
Between the orb and the bug, you've got more than your fair share of unwelcome passengers.
What can I say? Mother always taught me to be a gracious person.
Gods! Didn't hear you coming. I know I should head home, but I can't bring myself to leave. The thought of putting him in a wheelbarrow and making the journey all over again.
J'ai trouvé une baguette, grâce à laquelle je devrais pouvoir ressusciter votre mari.
What? You can?
You feel a surge of power from the wand. The air suddenly tastes acrid. It wants to be used.
Bring it back! Bring Connor back! Please!
Pointez la baguette vers le cercueil.
What? What's happening? Why is he still dead?
You feel something pull at you. The creature yearns for a master.
What have you done to him?
Mais Gunnar a tenu sa promesse, non? Décidément, rien n'est jamais simple.
But this isn't what she promised! I wanted him back! Back the way he was! Not this!
On peut toujours le remettre dans sa tombe.
No! Don't put him in the ground! He is afraid of the dark. I'll do it. I'll take him.
Je suis navré que les choses aient tourné ainsi.
No, this is my fault, and I'm gonna fix it. Maybe someone in Baldur's Gate can help us. Connor always said you can find anything in that city. I'll figure something out. Come on, love. Let's go.
Eh bien. Ben, je pense qu'on va s'arrêter là pour cet épisode. Ça me paraît pas trop mal. Du coup, je vous dis à la prochaine. Salut YouTube.